Hello everyone, I'm Karanveer Kamra. Welcome to Law Academy. Today we will understand about oral agreements and written agreements. So let us start with a video. So let us first see what is an oral agreement. So see, what do you understand by the term oral? Oral is something which is spoken, something which is implied, something which is shown by gesture. So oral agreements are those agreements which are not written down in the paper. So now the question is, can the oral agreements be enforced as a contract in the courts? The answer is yes. Oral agreements can also be enforced as contracts in the courts. So now, how will you prove that these oral agreements are a contract? So see, there are multiple ways in which you can prove this. You can produce witnesses in the court that this person saw two parties entering into an oral agreement. So by this, you can prove the enforceability of the oral agreement in the court. So now let us understand what is a written agreement. So by the term written, we can easily say that the written agreement is that agreement which is in a written form, which is attested, which is signed by the parties, something which is written down on the paper. So the written agreement, which is a valid agreement, which is a lawful agreement, is enforceable as a contract in the courts. So in the written agreements, always remember that the written agreements have greater evidentiary value than the oral agreements. Simple reason being, you can easily prove a written agreement in the courts by producing the paper, by producing the document in which the agreement was entered into. Thus, written agreements have greater evidentiary value than the oral agreements in the courts. So, I hope you understood what is an oral agreement and what is a written agreement. So, stay connected with me on Law Academy and thank you.